There are many student-run businesses here at school. Ethan Fritz, a junior, talks about his experience with his personally run business.
I wash cars for friends, family, just like people who need it. I also travel with it, like mobile, like if I can, they need a car wash at their house, I can just go to their house.
Fritz uses many supplies when washing cars. Some supplies include...
Well, I have a power washer. I have a bunch of microfiber towels. The power washer has like soap in it. I also have like wax, just some like paint, just to kind of like finish up the car a little bit.
Fritz gives advice to people who want to start a business like him.
Start off with your friends and have your friends help promote you, because that really helps. You know, you can just start small with friends and family, and then they can tell their friends and their family, and then it kind of expands.
Customer, Cash Ardema, gives insight on the car washes.
Ethan Fritz's car washing company was a very nice experience. It's not very expensive and he has all the right materials.
This is Cy Alexander, Christopher Cam, Chase Claybo, and Cash Ardema signing off for Falcon Vision.